The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology has taken note of the edited Wikipedia page linking cricketer Arshdeep Singh to Khalistan and is expected to take action on Wikipedia. The probe is likely to be headed by IT Secretary. The Wikipedia executives may be questioned regarding the lapses and the measures in place to avoid such issues. The ministry is likely to issue a show cause notice to the Wikipedia executives. Singh put down a catch of Pakistan batter Asif Ali during the 18th over of the Asia Cup 2022 clash on Sunday, post which Singh drew sharp criticism from Twitter users across India. The bowler has been abused and labelled a Khalistan sympathizer. A boat carrying 55 people capsized in the river Ganga on September 4th. The NDRF team reached the spot and has rescued around 40 to 42 people. 8 to 10 people are still missing, for which a rescue operation is still underway. At around 5:30 p.m. yesterday, we received information of a boat being capsized. NDRF team reached the spot. A total of 50 people were there, out of which 40 to 42 reached safely, while 8 to 10 people are still missing. Search operations still underway since morning, Maner Circle Officer Dinesh Kumar Singh said. Delhi Deputy Chief Minister Manish Sisodia on Monday claimed that a CBI officer committed suicide as he was pressured to frame him in a false excise case. He also hit out at Prime Minister Narendra Modi, saying that he only thinks of destabilizing governments in non-BJP states by poaching MLAs. A CBI officer was pressured to frame me in false excise case. He could not take the mental pressure and died by suicide 2 days ago. This is really unfortunate. I am deeply hurt, Sisodia alleged during a press conference. The CBI dubbed the allegations as mischievous and misleading. In a statement issued to the media, the agency said it is clarified that the gentleman officer, late Jitendra Kumar, was in no way connected with the investigation of the case. Jharkhand Chief Minister Hemant Soren won the trust vote in the Jharkhand Assembly on Monday as the opposition BJP staged a walkout. 48 MLAs voted in favour of confidence motion tabled by CM Hemant Soren in 81-member Jharkhand Assembly. The motion was passed amidst a boycott by the BJP, its ally AJSU party and 2 independents. Earlier, he addressed the House and saw the trust vote in the special one-day session as an uncertainty continued over his political future and the ruling coalition. Soren accused the opposition of destroying democracy. The opposition has destroyed democracy. BJP has been indulging in horse trading of legislators. We will show our strength in the House, Soren said in the Assembly. People purchase commodities in the market, but the BJP buys legislators, he alleged.